Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Wednesday, April 1st. Well, let's take a look at what's happening on Tuesday, and that is I was looking for follow through to the upside. The Iranian situation in terms of extending the talks had some impact on crude oil, which had some impact on our stocks here that you can see with the stock index for the NASDAQ market. I do not look for follow through to the downside. This is a market moving on concern, and concern does not sustain a trend. So lower prices, unchanged to lower, possibly I'm looking for a shadow on the bottom. But let's move ahead. And let's take a look at what's going on with the currencies. The dollar remains dominant, which makes sense to me. You can see over here in the yen, the yen did firm up a little bit as capital went towards that market. But here I'm looking for unchanged to lower. I think that pressure is going to continue on these currencies. But when it comes to the interest rates, well, they came up as the stock market came down. It makes sense. I do not look for follow through to the upside in that 10-year interest rate markets. I was looking for a sideways to lower type market in gold. That's what it gave us. I'm looking for a sideways market to continue. Crude oil did back off, nothing to write home about. Weaker crude oil prices, if we have a stronger dollar, I think makes sense. But when it comes to beans, huge amount of volatility, really a sideways type market. Wheat did trade below its bearish level. The difference between the bullish and bearish level in that market is $350 a contract, and again, that is just a reference, but we're looking for a sideways move in that market. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I'm looking forward to being with you again tomorrow. And in the meantime, take care.